Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Writing pays well, but you don't need to be a professional writer to earn. With simple copy and pasting, you can make some quick bucks. How? Well, that's what today's video is about. Today, we will be talking about how to earn $500 per day with a Google trick, just copying and pasting. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss out on techniques on how to start earning in a super simple way. Number 7. Go to Money Pantry. How to earn and save money is related to finance, and a website which provides related information is Money Pantry. What you're going to want to do is go to moneypantry.com/getpaidtowrite. That is the site that will be the key to earning you big bucks. On this site, you will need no investment and you won't have to pay any startup fees or anything of that nature. The pay itself is also relatively fast. There are plenty of websites out there that will pay you instantly to write blog posts. Checking out this site, you will see that you could be potentially earning from $50 to $3,000 per blog post, and that's a lot of money. Scroll down on this site and you'll find a ton of different websites that will pay you to write. There are also categories like travel. Look through all of these options because some of them will pay a lot just for one blog post. Find which category best suits you, and if you scroll down, you can find the category general interest. So basically, you can get paid to write just about anything you can think of. You can write a story, or it can be about something that happened to you recently, and you'll get paid for it. Just write about it and submit it to the website. You might get approved. Let's take one website for an example. Let's go to the website Vibrant Life in the general interest category and click on it. You will then see what the articles need to be about. This website shows that they need to be about health, exercise, nutrition, and other relevant topics. Make sure to read exactly what the website is posting about so you know what to write about. Once you know what to write about, then continue to make the actual articles. Using this list, you'll be creating articles based off of the many different blog sites shown on the list. You can find ways to copy and paste and use tools online to write. Once you have found all of your sources, you will need to write an amazing document that you can then submit and hopefully get accepted. Money Pantry's list is so big, so you're sure to find something that suits you. They have over 1,000 website links to check out, and all of them will pay a lot of money. Some will pay per article, while others will pay per word. It will be very easy to write these articles, so you won't want to miss out on how to do it. Number 6. Go to Quora. When you have questions and looking for answers, Google is your friend, but more specific sites which are great at answering questions in detail are Quora. It is loaded with knowledge and people looking to help you out. This will be the main source of your information for your articles. You're going to be using this site to get ideas for articles and even copy and paste small segments of answers into your own writing. This will be helpful as it will help you to start earning. First, go to Quora. You're not going to need to sign up, so no need to worry about that. That is only if you are going to use all the social media features of this site, but we're not going to be using those. So, go to the top of the page and find the search bar. For example, let's say we want to write an article about health and fitness. We will need to search information about it. Using the search bar, type in what you want to look for. In this case, we can search for something like how to lose weight without exercising. When you go to search a question, you can usually see that other people have also searched for the question, or at least something similar, and that's great. There are a ton of questions that have already been answered, and this will be beneficial to you. Now you can click on one of those questions on the page and look at the answers. Normally there will be several answers, and you can use those to gather information on your topic. Using these sites, you can easily find inspiration on what to write about. There are plenty of great topics, and you're going to find one which will fit the blog that you choose to write for. Browsing through the answers on Quora, you can see that people have written long and detailed responses. You can use that as an inspiration for your own articles. There really are tons of great questions out there. You can take bits of these answers and use those to write. Number 5. Go to Google Docs. Google services are made to be easy to use. One such service is Google Docs, and if you have a Google account, you might already be familiar with it. Google Docs is a free software on the web that works like how Microsoft Word works. It's great because it's another free resource utilizing Google to earn money. So with that, search Google Docs. Then a page full of search results will show up. There will be a couple of results at the top of the page, but it's recommended to click on the second result. That will open directly to your Google Docs. You may already have documents, but what you want to do is create a new document. What you're going to have to do is scroll down to the bottom right of the page, and there you'll see a plus button. Hover over that and you'll you'll see a Create New Document button. All you've got to do is click on that, and now you've got a new document ready to go. And now you'll be ready to start from scratch and create your blog post. Number 4. Speech to text. One of the interesting tools available in Google Docs is text-to-speech. You simply speak through your microphone and the computer will type out what you're saying, which makes things faster so that you can earn more quickly. This is easy to set up, so here's how it's done. You have your Google Doc opened, now go to the top tabs and select Tools. Under the Tools tab, look for voice typing, and after you click on that, a microphone symbol will appear. So what do you do with that? Well, you just gotta click on it, and once you click on it, you will just speak. So instead of typing out your words, you just say what you want the article to say. When the microphone symbol turns red, that means it's ready to record your words. It's very, very easy to use. When you end your sentences, make sure you say period to add a period to the document. This also works for other kinds of punctuation like comma. This is a great way to write your document through Google Docs, so try it out and see how much you can save. Number 3. Copy and paste segments. Some websites ask you to write a certain number of words and nothing less. Copy and paste are keyboard commands that can help you reach your word count. Because other websites pay per word, so you might want more words. It's important to take note that you shouldn't copy and paste entire sections and try to make up your own phrases and reword the sections as often as possible. Here's how it's done. Go to Quora and find the answers. Look for an answer or two that you really like, something that sounds good. Maybe there is some good advice that you have read. Go on that section of the answer, select a sentence or two from what you want and hit Ctrl-C on a PC or Command-C on a Mac. Then go to the Google Docs page and paste that sentence right in there by pressing Ctrl-V on a PC or Command-V on a Mac. Then you'll have a great bit added to your document, and it was super simple. Now you will be compiling and collecting tips and bits of answers from Quora and using that to help build your blog post. This is super simple and it's going to get you a ton of cash in no time. Number 2. Looking for more websites. There are plenty of websites that will pay you to write articles, and you would want to expand your options and know more than one of those sites. Go to Google and search Get Paid to Write Articles and hit Enter. You will see a page that shows up with tons of different links. There are plenty of websites that offer lists of other websites that will pay you to write blog posts for them, and this is a great way to find more resources. It is also very simple, and as you'll soon notice, some of these sites will pay you anywhere from $100 a blog post up to $1,000 per post. This technique is a great way to build up a side hustle and earn part-time income to help supplement your main source of income. Try it out because it can be super easy and lucrative. Number 1. Go to TextBroker. Decent rates can be found on TextBroker, who pay per word. You need to sign up for free and they will pay you to write with a slider on the page showing how much you can get paid. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.